Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about inventory adjustments, one of the most important but often misunderstood parts of inventory management. Inventory adjustments are where accuracy is either protected or completely lost. So the goal of this session is to explain what adjustments are, why they matter, and how to do them properly. Inventory adjustments exist because real life doesn't behave perfectly. Stock gets damaged, counted incorrectly, lost, returned, or received late. If those changes aren't recorded correctly, inventory numbers drift, and once they drift, decisions start being made on bad data. Adjustments are how businesses bring their system back to reality. So, what is an inventory adjustment? An inventory adjustment is a manual correction made to stock levels when the physical inventory doesn't match what the system says. It's not a sale, it's not a purchase, it's simply correcting the truth. And when done correctly, it keeps inventory, finance, and reporting aligned. It ensures that you have accurate records, financial reporting, as well as helps you to make informed decisions. There are two types of inventory adjustments, positive and negative. A positive adjustment increases stock, usually when items are found, returned, or uncounted before. A negative adjustment reduces stock, typically due to damage, theft, expiry, or counting errors. Both directly affect inventory valuation and reporting, which is why accuracy here is critical. Most adjustments happen for very normal reasons. Stock count didn't match, items were damaged or expired, goods were misplaced or later found, returns weren't logged correctly. The problem usually isn't that adjustments happen, it's when they happen without documentation or consistency. When adjustments are done casually without clear reasons, businesses lose trust in their own numbers. Finance sees one value, inventory sees another. Management doesn't know which one is real. That's how stock shortages, overordering, and cash flow issues quietly creep in. And that's why an inventory management software is essential for effective adjustments. Utilizing advanced inventory software enhances accuracy in tracking stock levels, streamlining the adjustment process, and ensuring timely updates to maintain reliable financial records and reporting. That's the exact type of area where One Force helps clients. So, the strongest systems combine people, processes, and visibility. Regular audits catch issues early, proper staff training reduces errors, and real-time systems ensure everyone works from the same numbers. When adjustments are structured and visible, inventory becomes reliable and not reactive. To keep adjustments under control, there are a few best practices that matter. Always record a reason, limit who can make adjustments, review adjustments history regularly, and treat adjustments as corrections, not shortcuts. Adjustments should explain why something changed, not hide the problem. Inventory adjustments aren't a sign of failure, they're a sign of accountability. The goal isn't to eliminate adjustments completely, the goal is to make them intentional, transparent, and accurate. When adjustments are done right, inventory becomes something you trust, not something you constantly question. To show how an effective system manages inventory adjustments, I'm going to log into our 1.4 system right here. We're going to go, when we log in here, we can see all of our product inventory right here. And let's say if we have an adjustment. All I'll have to go to is the top right hand corner here. And again, we can limit who actually can do these adjustments. I'm going to select our product. I'm going to select a reason for the adjustment. I'm going to say it was damaged or expired. We will say it's going to decrease the quantity by 3. And we're going to leave a note that's optional. So right here, I'm going to say goods got damaged in the flood. And now we're going to save the adjustment. And just like that, we created our adjustment. It updated our records automatically. And if we go to our inventory history, we'll be able to see that full audit log. There we have it. Our LED pendant light, stock out, damaged or expired, the goods got damaged in a flood, and we know exactly who created this record. We hope you found this video useful. Cheers!